Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how I make these keto chocolate lava cakes. So to get started with our lava cakes, I've got just a few ingredients here. I've got some butter in a ramekin, and this is what we're going to use to cook the lava cakes in. I've got some almond flour, some baking powder, sweetener, cocoa powder, a beaten egg, and then some little Lily's chocolate bar pieces that we're going to stuff into the middle to make it lava cake. So first step is we're going to melt this butter in the microwave for about, I don't know, just until it's melted, about 30 seconds. Okay, our butter is all melted. So I like to just roll the butter around the edge of the ramekin, just so it coats all inside of the ramekin. And now we can add in the rest of our ingredients. I'm gonna add in the almond flour, the baking powder, and the sweetener, and the cocoa powder, and the egg. And I'm going to stir that up really good. So this is kind of like a cheater's molten lava cake, because normally a molten lava cake is just cake that has not been cooked all the way through on the inside. And that's kind of, I don't know. First of all, it's raw eggs, because we have to put egg in it. And that's kind of, I don't know, what am I saying? It's just kind of hard to judge when the inside is done. It's kind of a chefy type of recipe, and I'm not a chefy type of person. So this is the cheater way, and this is the way I do it. So the cheater way is just to shove some pieces, or not shove, but I just put them in there a little bit, you know, just so they're stuck kind of together, all together. But don't push them all the way down to the bottom, because then your chocolate will be coming out of the top when we flip this over when it's done. So this is going to go in the microwave for about a minute. Okay, here is out of the microwave. It looks amazing. Now we got to flip it very carefully, and you don't have to dump it out. This is just for presentation purposes. Just kind of loosen the edges with the spoon. It should dump right out. Ooh, and there is our lava cake. I'm going to sprinkle it with some powdered sweetener. And if you don't want to use a microwave, you could put this in the oven at 375, I don't know, for about 15 or 20 minutes. Isn't that beautiful? And I also forgot to put a splash of vanilla in the cake. Just, you want to put a splash of vanilla in it. But let's see how this looks. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Molten lava center and my super delicious chocolate cake in the microwave. It's all keto. Make sure you check out this playlist with my other keto dessert recipes that are super easy, just like this one. And I will see you guys later. Bye.